So I'm back from my 2-week spring break. It was pretty cool. I basically went on like a tour of Texas. I saw my cousins, my dad. It was pretty fun. There's a spider in my room. It's like when I woke up today, it was staring at me. How has your guys' week been going? Mine is super crazy because I just came back from spring break. Did you guys have your spring break yet? Well, just before I get into the DIY stuff, I just want to say I do not play Fortnite. I'm not really a gamer person. The game is probably amazing and I just don't even know how to play. But I have plenty of friends who do play Fortnite and they've been asking me to do a Fortnite DIY, so let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make llama earrings. You will need scissors. You'll need felt, multiple colors, light purple, white, tan, string, ribbons, fabric glue, earring hooks, jump rings, googly eyes, and cardstock, or cardboard, hard paper, anything you can use as a stencil. The first thing to do is draw out your llama silhouette onto your piece of paper, and then you can just cut them out. Trace your llama onto the purple felt and then cut them out. Glue layers of fringed ribbon onto your llama. Work from down to up, or you know what I mean. Draw an arrow on your white felt, cut it out, and then glue it onto your tan felt. Glue on your googly eye. Once you made both, let them dry. Get something sharp and pointy to make a hole into your llama. This sounds so sad, but make a hole in your llama and stick the jump ring through. So this is what he looks like. He's actually really cute. Like, I didn't expect him to turn out this cute, but he's so adorable. And that's it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And maybe play Fortnite if you want to. But you'll see this cute little guy. Bye!